Hey guys, Dan Fernandez from Sports Care Revolution. I'm here again today to talk to you about foam rolling again. So I'm going to about two things today. We're going to talk about how to use the foam roller without your upper body strength, and basically which foam roller should you get. I mean, you look over on Amazon and everywhere, you'll find loads of different foam rollers, different sizes, different shapes. I'm going to just go really quick about this, guys. The foam roller I recommend is this one. This has that little symbol right there. It is the Trigger Point Performance. I don't think you guys are going to ever see that, but if you guys go to my website, that's the one I recommend, Trigger Point Performance. You guys can spend about 5-10 pounds. Thanks for the thumbs up, guys. You can spend 5 or 10 pounds off if you can't make this one. This one normally costs about 30 pounds. If you find it on some websites, I posted a link on my Facebook page a couple of weeks ago. And they were selling it for 21 pounds, which is amazing. This one will cost you about 5 or 10 pounds on Sports Direct or any other stores. The difference mainly is this one's extremely hard. A patient basically gave it to me because they spent the money on it and then they couldn't use it because it was just too hard for them. So they went for a more suitable and comfortable foam roller. In the end, they kind of do the same thing. They will be painful, but after about 2 or 3 weeks, guys, you shouldn't have any pain, or having less at least. Basically, the foam roller is here to increase mobility, take all that tightness from your running or any other sport that you do. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you the routine how to do it with using the foam roller without my upper extremity, because if you're trying to do it and you can't hold yourself doing it, I'm just going to show you a different way. So you can do that with a chair. Okay, so you can start by doing your shins, and when I mean shins is all the muscles that we have on the anterior, not the bone, yeah? So basically, you put your knee forwards, you turn your foot inwards, and you roll, just like that, on top of a chair, yeah? So again, no upper body strength needed. So no excuses saying, oh, I can't use a foam roller because I can't lift up myself from the ground. No, there's always ways of going around things. The only thing is, because this is a chair, the surface area is going to be a lot less than the floor, so you just probably have to take a bit more time on it. But you do little by little, and you can still, with the foot, stretch it like that, or decrease it, depend on what you like to do. And that's working on the anterior muscles of your leg. Okay? So now we want to do the calves. So the posterior muscles. So how we do that, I'm going to go onto the floor, yeah? And we can do it like that, like this. Okay? So obviously there's a lot less pressure through there. And if I want to make it harder and increase the pressure, I just put my other leg on it. So I'm just leaning on my elbows, although you can't see it. I put my other leg, I can even raise and make it harder, and there's less pressure of me trying to lift up my body, and I'm just going up and down. And you can still do the rotation, so you can still rotate towards the right and then rotate towards the left. But obviously, because it's just different surface area, you'll have to do little by little, just like that. Okay? So this is now the easiest one. Now we're going to do our hamstrings, so all the muscles that are in the posterior. So what can you do? Just sit on it. It's just that simple. Yeah? You sit it and you roll backwards and forwards. You can even stretch your leg while you're doing it. Yeah? Push it forwards. Go like that. You can use the chair as a support. Try not to fall. Thanks for the thumbs up, guys. Thanks for the support. So basically, and then continue rotating. So your foot goes off to the right, you rotate, goes up to the left. With my previous routine, I didn't possibly show an adductor. So all of the muscles that we have here, adductor stretch. So you can actually do that on the chair as well. So if you're doing it like that, so these are still your hamstrings, yeah, like that. But okay, it's an awkward position, so don't laugh. But you can go like that, okay? So going on your front, okay? Because what you want to do then with your quads is you want to go upwards like that and go backwards and forwards as well. Okay guys, don't laugh too much, okay? It's almost like I'm humping the foam roller, but it's effective if you don't have the upper body strength, or else just do my normal routine, okay? So that was hamstrings and then quads. Then you want to do the glutes. Again, turn it like that. So foam roll is just completely straight. I'm holding to the chair and I'm just rolling backwards and forwards. Now I'm doing the glutes. I rotate to one side and do the other, one glute, and then I can rotate out to the other side and do the other glute. That's simple. Now the thing, if I want to activate piriformis, instead of having the foam roll like that, have the foam roll like that, which is the direction of the muscle, put one thigh like that, and basically just roll like that. Okay, and just very gentle. Okay, always secure, nice good chair. Okay, so now you want to do it on your back. How are you going to do that over your lower back? So now you just move the chair out of the way, and you can use the wall. So by using the wall, you can work on your legs at the same time. So you put that on your mid-thoracics, and you can do a squatting position. You bring your hands forwards, and put up and down. Up and down. It's not easy, guys. You're working on your legs, but you're actually working on your muscles in the back as well. So, if you have any questions about how to foam roll, how to stretch, if you've got any injuries, anything that you don't know about, and you want some enlightenment, some ideas, how to stretch, if you can't do my way, if you think it's difficult, anything, guys, I'm here to help. So if you need anything, just give me a shout. I'll do the best I can to get you in a better position, better performance, always trying to improve your better self. Okay, guys? Have a good one. Have a great week. Don't forget to foam roll, stretch, and then most importantly, good nutrition, guys. See you next time.